Hey guys, it's Brian from Computer Cable Store, and I'm here for a quick video on hook and loop cable ties. Hook and loop has been around since the 50s and is a well-known product from the company Velcro. Like the name suggests, hook and loop consists of two parts, hard nylon hooks on one side and softer nylon loops on the other side. When pressed together, the hooks and loops form an extremely strong bond. Most hook and loop ties can be reapplied several thousand times before they wear out, making them ideal for reusable applications. The ties I'm using in this video are from Secure Cable Ties and come in a variety of lengths and colors. Getting a variety of colors can help with organization, while the different lengths allow them to be used with long cable lengths. By using the built-in eyelet, you'll be able to keep the tie attached to the cable even when it's not in use. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.
We'll be right back.